something foreign. Picture me riding around here with a banjo. Picture me blinded with the tints on the window. You could see by the
Guys, what is going on? Real quick. So, you know, as always, I'm at work and I'm doing my thing. And I see this beautiful Ford right here. Look at this. Look at this. You know, I want look at it. I actually want to do a review. I want to do a review on this car, on this Ford Focus, the ST. I would love to do a review on one. Because these things are actually pretty quick, believe it or not. They are pretty quick, and they're actually pretty nice too. You know, I actually like these a lot. Not saying I would own one, but they're just nice. You know, I just would love to do a review on one, man. Look at that. I'm guessing this person just bought it because they haven't done nothing to it yet. It's just sitting up high. They probably, you know, painted the things yellow, have it a little tow hook. But it's nice too. It's real nice. I like it. I like it a lot.